this morning, a little earlier. But you see that acid, Aqua Regina, is pretty much devouring all the precious metals, and leaving basically a ceramic dust. And turning our solution red, darker and darker every day. I think this will go for I don't know, I think it'll go for an easy couple of days. Still got a little bit of, you can see the difference in the layers, and I think this still has metal on it. This is just what's left after all the precious metals are eaten off it. So we'll see here in another day or two how it's doing. If we're gonna, well, I'll probably go ahead and extract it, filter off the solution, and all of our precious metals will be dissolved in our solution. So I'll filter off all this beforehand. We'll throw a neutralizer in here to neutralize that gas, that chlorine gas, and once that's neutralized, we'll go ahead and filter this out. And once we have that filtered out, we'll be left with just the solution. And I'll go ahead and re-wash this again, maybe for a couple more days with some clean hydrochloric acid and some more sodium hypochlorite. See if we can pull any more metals out of there, if we got them all. And I didn't have any nitric acid. I didn't use that. All we used was a hydrochloric acid. And hopefully, just by using that with the sodium hypochlorite, I'm hoping that would be enough to oxidize our precious metals to be able to allow the hydrochloric acid to eat up the metals. But just alone, it's not strong enough to eat the precious metals. So yeah, that oxidizer, which I used this time, the sodium hypochlorite. So we'll see how good that goes, and what our return is, and if there's any left in there, we might try something else as well. But this is all dirty. This is all gold pay dirt, and that's what I usually use this tub for. But it works perfect, because in case this breaks, all that acid will be safe and it'll be in this tub. So, and I use this just so the rocks weren't on the glass. But yeah, safety first, because that's a lot of acid in there, and it is the most dangerous, highly corrosive acid there is. And when you add that chlorine gas into the mixture, and it makes it even worse, burns your lungs. You gotta be real careful. So with that said, don't be just trying this, do lots of research, and make sure the risk is worth the reward on your end. If you're not familiar with this, jump into a couple easier, less dangerous methods. You can either smell, which is still dangerous, but not as bad as these chemical gases. But yeah, stay tuned. Hoping for about an ounce of palladium out of here. Can't wait, because I'm gonna do forgot to tell you guys, I'm going to try to do a couple 1 gram bars of the 1 gram bars of the platinum and give them out to my patrons and do like a patron giveaway. And so keep your fingers crossed this comes out a-okay. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share that. I'd greatly appreciate it.